Have you noticed sometimes that when you have a watermelon patch, some of your watermelons would have a rotting end on this bit here? If you notice that the end of your watermelon would be starting to rot, or even just the baby watermelons, that would mean that you have watermelon blossom end rot. It is not fungi, it's not bacteria, it's actually a deficiency in calcium in the soil. Also, it means that you have not been regularly watering the soil where your watermelon is growing. It is suffering from a dry spell and then watering thoroughly, and then another dry spell and watering thoroughly again. The solution there, number one, would be to make sure that your soil is constantly moist, not overwatered. It would more likely be a calcium deficiency. You just have to add some calcium into your soil. into your soil. The way to do that is two ways. What I have here is blood and bone. It is a fertilizer where about 11% of the composition of this is calcium. So this is a good thing that you would spread on there. What you would need is about 95 grams, which is about a little over a handful per square meter. The area where you have planted the watermelon directly around the roots. So I reckon that this would be about a square meter. So I have here about, oh, I think I have excess. No, maybe, yeah. Anyway, also, I have decided to put another source of calcium, which is dolomite lime. Dolomite lime would be around 14% calcium. The way to incorporate it into the ground is simply spread. This one would be 100 grams per square meter, so it would be around a handful. You just have to spread it on the ground and then rake it or till the soil very carefully, not disturbing the roots, and then water in well. So let's do that. Oh, this one is, what did I say? 50 grams per handful, adult handful. My hand is about a small adult, so so I would need about 100 grams per square meter. So let's say a little over 2 handfuls of this one here, dolomite lime. So I'll set aside this blood and bone for a minute and deal with the dolomite lime first. So I have 1 handful, carefully spreading it on the soil where you have the roots of the watermelon. There you go. And then next I would put this blood and bone. It's fertilizer and it has added calcium carbonate in it. So, and how do you call the dosage? Is that the right thing? Dosage? Yeah, the dosage, if it were medicine, would be 95 grams per square meter. 95 grams would be around a cupful, and this is what I have here. So I'll just spread it where I've placed dolomite lime as well. There you have it, guys. It's a way to solve your problem of blossom end rot for your watermelon. You just have to make sure that you incorporate calcium, either blood and bone, which I used, or dolomite lime, which I used as well. And they suggest that you scratch the ground, but I reckon that if you water it in well, you'll be right. That's how to care for your watermelon patch in case you have a little emergency, which is your blossom end rot. More videos to come. Thanks for watching.